Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. This is a busy book for my 5-year-old for her phonics practice. So we have done many phonics activities till now with first sound, last sound, spellings, basic CVCs, and reading simple Bob books, all those things done. But still there are some loopholes, or basically I found some things where she still needs some practice. So I have made this phonics practice book for her so that we can revise the concept before we move ahead to more complicated reading. So anyway, she's a reluctant reader, so going back to basics, it gives her more confidence. So that's why I'm going back to the basics here. We are doing the phonics practice. So first we are doing the first and last sounds. So leaf, so I have written the middle word, so just have to find l and f. Leaf. Heart, h and t. And boat, b and t. So again, just practicing the basic first and last sounds. But if you say heart, right? So, okay, my girl has trouble all these words. So that's why I have mentioned the words which I know she will have a little time thinking, because r doesn't get noticed in these words, or, just practicing this one. Now we are doing spelling. So again, the spelling is very, very simple. All the basic phonic rules, nothing major serious. So like this one is root. So r, u, t. So I have taught her this basic spelling rule. I hope she can do it. Then this is step. So again, it has blends. St, st, e, p, step. Lips. So l, e, p, s, lips. And hand. Now hand will be confusing because when it comes to no or n does sound in the end, she gets confused. So that's what, a little warm up, then a little complicated, and that's what we are going to practice. A simple basic spelling things here. Then we go to the next one. Again here trying we are digraphs and blends. I'll repeat, she has done all these basic activities, but still sometimes when she's reading, I feel she's struggling. So we are doing the basics. So flower. So fl, r, last sound, and the blend. Chair. Again, chair, she gets confused. SH is ch or CH is ch. So we are doing practice again. Ch, ch. What makes the sound of ch? How do you write the digraph? It is CH. So chair, r. So this also she goofs up. So that's why this is here. Now this is, brick. This is brick. So br, ick. And this is thin. So thin, in. So again, she doesn't do this work independently. I sit with her, and then it's my drawing. Maybe she's not able to figure out what I have drawn, so I have to sit with her, and then we explain that this is this. Okay, what will be the spelling? So that's how we produce these activities. Now these are the sight words. Again, these are phonics plus sight words. She knows some, she doesn't know some, but we're just going to practice it once again. So 1, O-N-E, 1. 6, completely phonics word. 7, so again practicing some spelling. And black, so blends and blur, like that we are going to practice it here. So this is again some basic spelling practice of numbers and colors. Next activity we are doing is again testing a time. Here it's a little complicated, but I hope she's able to do it. So this is the mask. We are in Corona, so I had to draw mask. So mask, phone, the digraph, crown, blends and last sound, and wave, because we are testing the silent E sound. So if wave, so if E in the end, what should we put here so that it becomes way? That is what we're going to practice. And then last will be ver, or it'll be water, wala. So we are just doing practicing here. We are not testing or anything, but just all the concepts together, so that it gives me an idea like where have we reached and where we have to work on. So hope you enjoyed this one. Bye bye.